Hello, welcome our the best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best NutriBullet blenders that have been best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. NutriBullet RXN17 1001 Blender. The NutriBullet RXN17 1001 blender has a 1700 watt motor. It comes with a 30-ounce cup and a 1-liter pitcher that makes it convenient to make single servings, as well as larger servings for the whole family. The RXN17 1001 has a heating cycle to blend hot soups and sauces. It also has hands-free smart technology with an automatic start-stop feature for the right blend. We found it challenging to blend anything that wasn't pretty much liquefied. The problem is that when the blender first starts, it's too powerful. There's no way to slow it down to blend thicker consistency items effectively. It also doesn't help that a lot of liquid is needed for things to blend appropriately. After many uses, we took the unit apart, including the removable plastic parts and springs, and found a ton of mold and another black buildup inside the housing unit. Although some customers mention that this blender can encounter functioning issues after consistent use, they also say that they are impressed with the speed and hands-free smart technology that the NutriBullet RX is equipped with. Pros: 1700 watt motor, 30-ounce cup, 1-liter pitcher, single and family serving sizes, heating cycle, hands-free smart technology with auto start-stop. Cons: not good for blending thicker consistency items. Needs lots of liquid to blend properly. Number 2. NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z Blender Combo 1200 watt. If you're looking to blend enough ingredients to serve your entire family in one go, then the NutriBullet ZNBF30400Z Blender 1200 watts is a perfect choice. This blender comes equipped with options to fill a pitcher or a single-serve cup with nutrient-packed foods. This mixer comes prepared for blending ingredients into sauces, smoothies, soups, and more with its 3 different speed options. Choose from low, medium, high, or pulse options when creating your tasty masterpiece. If you're looking to make a smoother, puree-type composition, then press the extraction button and let the NutriBullet do its thing. You'll be left with a beautiful silky smooth consistency in just a few short seconds. This NutriBullet measures at 8.07 by 7.75 by 16.97 inches and weighs 11.4 pounds, making it durable and long-lasting. The extractor blade is made from strong stainless steel that features cyclonic action. The pitcher and cups are made from BPA-free and high-performance plastic. This blender may be loud, but it is powerful with its 1200 watt motor. Included in this bundle are a 64-ounce blender with a lid and vented cap, one 32-ounce cup, one 24-ounce cup, 2 to-go lids, and a recipe book. Enjoy the ability to make a variety of meals with multiple portion sizes. Pros: 1200 watt motor. Comes equipped with a pitcher and smaller cups. Comes with a recipe book. Cons: can be loud. Number 3. NutriBullet Pro 13-piece high-speed blender. The NutriBullet Pro is a 900 watt, high-speed blender with a powerful, patented stainless steel blade that will pulverize any type of food. This system includes 2 cups, 1 emulsifying blade, 2 flip-top lids, 2 handled lip rings, a pocket nutritionist, a hardcover recipe book, and a user manual. There are a few issues with the Pro model, though. The construction materials aren't as good as they were with past models. We also noticed that it doesn't run very smoothly. The unit bounces on the countertop while it's blending, and it's so loud that you want to leave the room while it's running. The base unscrews while blending, which causes leaking. When your drink is made, there are little plastic tabs that hold the drinking lids in place. These tabs break off very easily, so that the lids cannot be used. When you're finished preparing your meal, simply twist the blade off of the cup and rinse it with soap and water. You can also put the blade in the top rack of the dishwasher along with the BPA-free cups. Pros: 900 watt motor. Powerful stainless steel blade. Includes blade, cups, lids, lip rings, manual, recipe book, and pocket nutritionist. Cons: cheap construction compared to past models. Loud. Number 4. NutriBullet ZNBF3040Z Blender 1200 watts. This model doesn't look like most other NutriBullets. It is a full-size blender packed with this brand's most reliable features. This includes a powerful 1,200 watt motor that will allow you to make sauces and nut butters. Meanwhile, this model's several speed settings will allow you to even heat products inside its 64-ounce jar, such as homemade soup. As for longevity, this unit can be expected to outlive its 1-year warranty period. With a high-performance plastic jar, you can bet this unit will withstand regular wear effectively. This model's stainless steel blades won't chip after years of use, either. Instead, they can be counted on to create this model's iconic cyclonic blending action. What others are saying: it handles ice well. A lot of the positive comments were about how great this blender crushed ice in a smoothie. They found that you could use big ice cubes without worrying. Super fast. Many reviews talked about how quickly it pulverized ingredients. They found it quick to use and clean, especially for a countertop blender. Powerful. Almost every positive review mentioned how powerful the motor was. It was compared positively to the Vitamix. The powerful 1200 watt motor can blend almost anything. It's small enough to fit under the kitchen cabinet. It's easy to use and makes healthy eating convenient. Cons: the blender needs a lot of liquid for ice crushing. Number 5. Magic Bullet 11-piece set small blender. Derived from the same company as the NutriBullet, Homeland Housewares. The Magic Bullet is an excellent premium blender. The Magic Bullet comes equipped with 250 watts of power and can whip, mix, grind, and chop your favorite ingredients into a beautiful blend. Measuring at 13.1 by 6.93 by 10.6 inches. The Magic Bullet is the perfect size to store on your kitchen counter. Meal prepping with this mixer is effortless, as you can toss multiple ingredients into the cup at once and blend until you reach the perfect consistency. Some customers do note that the motor on the Magic Bullet does not last as long as the NutriBullet. However, you can easily and extremely quickly chop vegetables such as onions, mushrooms, and peppers to add to your omelette when you're in a hurry. You can also blend together berries, nuts, spinach, and almond milk or water for a healthy smoothie. Use the included flip-top to-go lid to bring your drink along with you while you run errands. Take ideas and inspiration for healthy options from the included recipe book. This recipe book features step-by-step instructions for numerous delicious dishes ranging from smoothies, to dinner, to desserts. Throw the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher or rinse with soap and water to clean. Pros: comes with a recipe book. Great for chopping veggies for omelettes. Great for blending smoothies and shakes. Cups are dishwasher friendly. Cons: motor does not last as long as NutriBullet. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Thanks for watching.